To download the Whoop app, start by accessing the App Store on your mobile device. For iPhone users, this is the App Store. And for Android users, it is the Google Play Store. Open the App Store and tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in Whoop and select the Whoop app from the search results. The Whoop app should be the first result and it will have the Whoop logo next to it. Tap on the Get or Install button next to the app to begin the download process. You may be prompted to enter your password or use Touch or Face ID to authenticate the download. Once the app has finished downloading, tap on the Open button to launch the app. You will be prompted to create an account or log in if you already have one. To create an account, tap on the Sign Up button and follow the prompts to enter your information, including your name, email address, and password. You will also be asked to provide some basic health information, such as your height and weight, and to set up your Whoop membership. This will require you to enter your payment information and agree to the terms and conditions. After you have completed the sign-up process, you will be able to access the full range of features and functions within the Whoop app, including tracking your daily activity, monitoring your sleep and recovery, and receiving personalized recommendations for improvement. To get the most out of the Whoop app, make sure to wear your Whoop strap regularly and keep your app up to date. This will ensure that you have access to the latest features and functions, and that your data is accurate and reliable. By following these steps, you can easily download the Whoop app and start using it to track and improve your health and fitness.